Let's practice on the while loops. In the first program, we would write to read an integer x and then print all numbers that are divisible by 3 from 1 to x. So remember, there are numbers that are divisible by 3 like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. We are called them the multiple of 6. Now in our case, for example, if you entered number like 12, we would like to print like 3, 6, 9, 12, which are the 4 numbers that are divisible by 3 in the range 1 to 12. So develop a sample program that will take an integer x and print that. Give yourself a few minutes and then check out the solution. As I said before, always challenge yourself. This is how you be a stronger and stronger. So the program should have simple logic. We're going to read an end here, like int integer input, and then we have a start of equal 1. And then while the start is less than or equal the end, then we can say if start mod 3 equal 0, we print the start. And then we step 1. Let's make a tracing. Let's say the end is 12. Then the start is starting with 1 and the end is 12. So 1 is less than 12, later it will be 2, so 2 less than 12, later it will be 3, 3 less than 12, and so on. So this is now iterating very similar to the summation from 1 to 5, or printing from 1 to 5. For the condition, we are going to say here, if start mod 3 equal 0, we can print the start. And this way we are printing all the numbers from 1 to 12 that are divisible by 3. We can develop this program with only the end here, but it's going to be like the opposite of the printing. Like you can start with end and keep minus equal 1, but this one is going to be print for you 12, 9, 6, 3. Let's move to the second program, the power function. Remember, we used the power operator before, like x asterisk y, which is printing the power. If I enter the 2 and 5, 2 to the power 5 is 32. We will develop a program that compute x and y by ourselves, which means multiplying the x, y times in itself. So 2 to the power 5 means multiply 2 5 times in itself. So try to develop this program without using the power operator. Here is the program. We are reading couple of integers, the number and the power, and then this is the Python result, as I said, but we don't care about it for now. We have here, we are initializing our result with 1. What we would like to do is we keep multiplying the 2 or the number power times. So I'm going here to say while power is greater than or equal 1 minus power 1, power greater than or equal 1 minus 1 from the power, power greater than or equal 1, and so on. So if we enter 2 and 5, the power will be 5. So while 5 greater than or equal 1, yes, 5 minus equal 1, 4. 4 greater than or equal to 1, true. 4 minus equal 1, 3. 2, 1, 0, stop. In every single step, we are going to multiply this number, which is 2, in our result so far. So it will be like initially you start with 1, then 1 times 2, then 2 times 2, then 4 times 2, then 8 times 2, 16 times 2, up to 32. That's all. So when you print the result, is going to be a 32. I would like to show you some syntax that might be weird for you at the moment, but it is just use it as it is if you manage to. The assert function is a function that takes a boolean, a condition. If it is true, nothing happens. But if it is false, it's going to break the program with a message, an optional message. So here is the syntax. You write the word assert, take a space, then write some condition. I'm here trying to make sure my program is correct. So I computed the Python result and computed our result, and I'm saying assert and confirm that Python result is as same as our result. If this is true, nothing happened. But if this is false, the message is going to be printed. So this is the assert components. Assert keyword, space, not parenthesis, space condition, and then comma, then another message here. I know the syntax looks weird, but over time you might get used to it. That's all.